Hello guys, good day. So our vacation is officially over and I'm back to the usual. As you can see, naka-uniform na naman ako ulit. Let's have some coffee. And ang opening namin ngayon guys is Monday to Thursday, and then day off ng Friday, then open ulit Saturday, day off ulit Sunday, and the time is 1 o'clock to 10 ng gabi. Kasi nag-change kami ng day off dahil sinunod lang namin ang schedule ng aming Christian meeting. Kasi yung Christian meeting namin nag-change ng instead of Thursday and Sunday, Friday and Sunday na ngayon. So yun ang day off namin. And 1 o'clock na kami mag-open instead of 11 dahil napansin ko naman na ang customers ay bihira lang kapag morning. Karamihan in the afternoon and in the evening. Kaya na lang, go with the flow. Para din naman sa bahay, meron din akong mga magawa na chores. And for now, ako ay mag-get ready with me. So this one, nakapag-spray na ako nito, hyaluronic face mist. Meron siyang essential oils like frankincense, myrrh, lavender, and geranium. So, magpulbo na lang ako. Hindi na ako nag-sunblock kasi today ay makulimlim. Mag-face powder na lang ako. I'm using this face powder from Human Nature. Ito talaga ang ginagamit ko guys ever since. Hindi naman ako lagi nag-face powder. Ngayon lang para may pakita ko sa inyo. Drinking coffee, Sante Barley Coffee Fusion. Available pa rin po ito here in Armonica. Nasa menu namin at pwede rin po kayo mag-order. Gusto nyo pick upin or pwede rin po ipa-deliver. Okay guys, see you around. So, kahapon hindi kami nag-open dahil namili pa kami ng supplies since Sunday closed ang Monster Kitchen. Hindi kami nakapamili. And then, parang medyo napagod na ako na nag-going to and fro and then nag-arrange, ganyan. So, we have decided na mag-extend ng vacation. So, today ang officially open for the year 2026. And also, kung napansin nyo, Armonica is a cafe. Dati, Armonica is a health products retailing. And since it's about health, wellness, medyo nahihirapan ako sa requirements nung nirenew namin ang business permit. Kaya ni-change namin into cafe. See you! And thank you so much for your support.